Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can fix sound and speaker problem in your device Xiaomi Redmi Note 10T. So if you're facing any problem related to sound or speakers in your device Xiaomi Redmi Note 10T, you can fix it by following the few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit that red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how you can fix any problem related to sound and speaker in your device.